car off to a homie. My cousin's following me in my Beamer. This is the Civic. It's finished now. It's too dark to show you guys. I'll show you guys when we get to Buc-ee's. But we're gonna go pick him up. Once we pick him up, we're heading to Gat. We're gonna go meet up with some other homies in another town on the way over there. Then we're all gonna mob. And from there we're heading to Gat. So it's gonna be about 4.5 hour drive. It's not too far though. It's Friday. It's 3:12 in the morning. We're meeting up. But yeah, I'll pick it up once we get in the Beamer because this car's way too loud. As you guys can see, we met up with Retard and all the guys too. We cruised all the way to Buc-ee's. It was a fucking long drive. And this dude drives the Honda, so shit.
Yeah, y'all
I feel like I'm gonna get screwed. This is Brian. First time y'all meet him, bro. Then we got Josh.
Yeah. Oh, we showed him late.
So you missed his exit, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
Don't forget me. I already introduced you,
I
bro.
know you did.
You kind of,
I swear, you look like a Mexican dude.
We got fucking jaded, bro.
Not jaded, bro. That's me.
You getting breakfast?
I'm thinking breakfast, dude. They got tots.
Tots, bacon, egg, and cheese. You're not getting them, bro?
Nah. They got tea.
Jeez. Bro, swing it, bro.
It's hard to do it on the concrete.
No, it ain't. You just suck.
I do suck. I haven't done it in a while.
Anyways, guys, you guys get to see the Civic fully done. That's my homie, fool. He's the one driving the whip. But this is the Civic fully done after all that last video. Wheels are painted, car's fully wrapped. She came out good. We're on the way to Buc-ee's right now. But we're deep. My boy RX-8, Josh, he's a part of the original vlogs. You've seen Josh. This is new 8.
Don't show the inside. Don't show the inside.
Ooh. Josh, this is the first time they see your 8, bro, I think.
Not facts, dude. First time it's out.
The new one, at least. The first time it's outside.
It's been sitting for like 5 months.
Yeah, bro. What the fuck you got a spare tire for?
I got them.
What, if he pops a tire?
I got those tires.
We got those whip. He got new wheels as well. Got them chromes. We got a homie, Andrew, with his EG. You guys haven't seen his EG yet. But we're done pumping. We're gonna get back on the road right now, so I'll get back to that. Somewhere in Tennessee right now. We got 1 hour till we get to Gat. We stopped at the gas. I put the 360s. That's where we got the 360s on right now. And just filled up. I overfilled it. I got fucking gas all over my paint. But yeah, we got an hour left. I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Alright, we made it to Seaverville. We're on our way to Pigeon Forge. We're gonna grab breakfast at the Sunline Diner, I think it's called. We got 20 minutes to get there. We've been enjoying the cruise so far. What do you think about it, Anthony?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah, nice.
But later tonight we're gonna go hit some meats and stuff. We'll see what we got going on there today. Just vlog. But I'll be back when we get to the breakfast spot. Made it. We're at the breakfast spot, but look, we done seen a fucking FD on the trailer. This shit's tough.
And I found out, I didn't know that
Puerto Rican existed. I mean,
Puerto Ricans, they love the rotaries.
yeah, bro.
I didn't know that.
This is tough, bro.
Not even.
That's tough. They know about it, bro. See, what you think about it, bro? What you think?
Beauty.
That's nice, bro. Let's go inside because this food ain't waiting for nobody.
I'm gonna pull up.
I know you're hungry, bro.
I am. I could eat for real. I was eating the burrito, let down.
Oh hell. Tomorrow we're gonna go eat at the Farm Kitchen Breakfast House, bro.
Farm kitchen?
Yeah, the breakfast house, bro. But we made it to the diner. You guys seen the past 2 videos.
Show 'em the nalgas.
Damn, hold on.
The nalgas.
Damn. But we're gonna grab breakfast. I'll show you all the inside. Got that Camaro, bro.
Oh, that wrap is fire.
Sam finally pulled up, bro. Late as hell, but he pulled up.
Again, man, that's expensive.
We're getting ready to go do our own little things. I'm gonna record what I'm doing. It's gonna be a part of the vlog still. But, bro, the 8 looks fucking good now, bro. Just coilovers and wheels, bro.
I know,
Looks so fucking fire. Can you shoot flames just being parked or no?
I don't know.
Made it to the cabin. Sammer's first one to show up. Here's the cabin. We got a pool and everything over there. Got these. Yeah, I haven't seen this since he modded it. But we got this. Still waiting on everybody else to pull up. They're gonna pull up a little later. But we'll do a little tour for it. We got it. We made it to the cabin. We got our bedrooms over there. This is one bedroom right here with Casey.
Bathroom.
Anyways, we got more. There's another one bedroom. They all look the same. But this is our room right here. Got our bathroom. Come outside. This is the view we got out here. We even got weights, what the hell? But we're out here in the Gap Mountains. Seaverville. I mean. Good thing we got crap. Going downstairs. It's our game room. We got a bunk room in there, a bunk room over here. I'll show you it. 2 more singles as well. Single. Then we got the bunk. And then we got a little movie theater. We have a second porch, which I'm on. We have a hot tub here, right there. We have a sauna. We have a sauna at our cabin, which I'm gonna try and use it, see what happens, bro. We got more single bedrooms. Over here we got a whole little area, like picnic, hangout, cookout kind of area. And then in here, we do have a pool. Someone's in there already. Her sister's in there, but I'll show you guys after. We got Wendy up here. We got this. Just a little hangout spot, hammock. Even a TV. We'll be out here Saturday night. So now we got this area. Here's our pool. 4 feet. It's deep as shit, bro. 4 feet. But once everybody gets here, we'll take a pic in the front. Here's our cabin. It's pretty nice, man. It'll be our home for the next 4 days and 3 nights. So we will have our fun with it. Have all the boys here. Park the trailer down here because we do have a truck and trailer. The other homie's pulling up. Back up right there, way. We got Josh, Fool, Lalo, Jada, Jones. A ver, Josh, a ver.
Bruh, you know what I did?
How was your hike, bro?
Didn't go hiking.
Nah,
what's it called? Dude, I'm trying to fuck out my clutches right now.
I get closer, wait, no?
There were some kids waving, right?
Yeah.
And I went to go fucking, how do you say, redline it?
Yeah.
Fucking dumped the clutch, dude, in second. I said,
I need to take a heat gun and fix this real quick. They came up, I guess.
there's another big bubble in the back.
Where?
On the back of the truck.
Oh, is it where the windshield wiper goes?
No, I'm kidding. Hey, just keep going back.
It's night meat season, bro. Same day. We're going to the strip now with the boys. Got Josh, my cousin, Andrew, everybody. We're gonna go hit the strip right now, see what music we can find, run into, see what cars we see. But I'll get that shit whenever I see more shit. here at the strip, bro. That shit's crazy. I don't know what happened over there, but we're gonna have to get over. I got a flat tire. Today. I don't even know where Josh went. Oh, get that Porsche. Get it, the camera.
There ain't no damn parking anywhere, bub. Hey, Bub, I don't think we're outside today. Hey, I'm gonna just pull into the next entrance.
Let me in!
No!
Let me in!
No!
This one right here!
Yeah! Get in front!
Got a Ferrari, bro?
Fucking big ass plane. He's doing this in there, bro. Hold on, here we go. Oh, let's swap the 8.
Oh shit. Oh, the lighting. Look at the fucking drag pack on that thing. Look at that fucking thing, hold on. What kind of else I need that?
Hey, bro, that's literally the dude I was just talking about.
This bitch.
I swear.